The government is seeking to create a one-stop shop for large-scale home developers to enable them to actualize the construction of 500,000 houses for low-income earners as per the target set under the Big Four agenda. The National Environment Management Authority, that's NEMA, is however yet to get on board with the Ministry of Lands, county governments and the National Construction Authority towards making that plan a success. Officials from the Ministry of Housing met with members of cooperative societies at a hotel in the capital city, seeking to find ways to make it easy for SACCOs to contribute towards the housing element of the Big Four agenda. The number of mortgages in Kenya remains dismally low when compared to its population size, largely due to the relatively short duration of the loans coupled with the country's high cost of living in urban areas.
The statistics show that by around 2016, we only had about less than 25,000 mortgages. But if you look at the SACCO around the same time, they had about 70,000 loans that they had already disbursed to their members. Today, that transfer process takes 9 months. Now, if you have borrowed money, you have built the units, okay, you have got someone who wants to buy the unit, okay, but they cannot buy because the transfer process takes 9 months. Think about what that does to your cost of capital. Right, so it's what we call scoring on goals.